Good morning, students. I hope you all are well at home. Students, let's continue with the revision of the assignment of chapter number 9, Rational Numbers. So, beta, here is the question from the assignment of rational number. What should be added to minus 1 by 2 to obtain nearest natural number? Now, what we have to do? We have to add something to minus 1 by 2 to obtain the nearest natural number. Now, natural number you all know that natural numbers starts from 1, 1, 2, 3 and so on. It starts from 1, right? And minus 1 by 2, or we can write it as minus 0.5. Now, what is the nearest natural number to minus 1 by 2, or we can say to minus 0.5? This is a negative number. The nearest number to the negative number is 1. It is 1. Like see the number line. We are having here 0, 1, 2, 3. This is minus 1, minus 2. Now we are having minus 0.5. This is our number. Now, what we want to see? We want to see that which is the natural number nearest to minus 0.5. Obviously, the nearest natural number is 1. The nearest natural number is 1. So, I have made you write already in your notebook when we discussed this question earlier that either you can write like this, that nearest natural number is 1, or you can directly write from the question by making the equation, like according to question what it is, what should be added to minus 1 by 2 to get the nearest natural number. So we have discussed right now that the nearest natural number to minus 1 by 2 is 1. So minus 1 by 2 plus x is equal to 1 is our equation. Now we have to find the value of x, because what is the question? What should be added? So we will write let x be added. You can write here let number added is x. Then write according to question. Nearest natural number is 1. So now what we have to add? What should be added? So we will say that let the number added be 1. So minus 1 by 2 plus x is equal to 1. Now we have to find this x. We can see this minus 1 by 2 is with negative sign on the left hand side. When it will move to the right hand side, we will have plus 1 by 2. So now by taking the LCM, we get 3 by 2. So what should be the number which should be added to minus 1 by 2 to get 1? That is 3 by 2. We can check also minus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. 2 is the LCM. Minus 1 plus 3, 2 by 2 is 1. So this way we can check also, but you are not supposed to do in fear. So what should be the number added? The number added should be 3 by 2. Now beta, see the next question. What should be subtracted from minus 2 by 3 to obtain nearest integer? To obtain the nearest integer to minus 2 by 3. Now, we know what are integers? All the positive numbers, the negative numbers, along with 0 form integers, right? Now we are having a number minus 2 by 3. We want to see it is nearer to which integer. So for that we will divide minus 2 by 3. Minus as it is. 2 is in the numerator, so 2 will come inside, divided by 3. 2 is smaller than 3, so we will write here point and we will get here 0. Now 3 6 are 18. Again, if we write 0, then it is 3.66. So 0.66 we can take 0.7 also round off करके, या फिर आप इसको 0.6 अकेला. No need to solve it further. You just divide 2 by 3. We get 0.6. It means minus 2 by 3 is what? It is minus 0.6. You have to divide it and you have to get a number in the form of decimal. Now we are having a number, negative number. This is 0. This is minus 1. Now here are 10 divisions between 0 and minus 1. So now see, it is minus, all are negative, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6. ये सब कैसे हैं? माइनस में. minus 0.1, minus 0.2, minus 0.3, right? So where is minus 0.6? Here is our minus 0.6. This is the number minus 0.6. Now see, if we see on the right hand side, we are having how many divisions? कितना distance है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are having 6 divisions when we see on the right hand side. And when we see on the left hand side, how many divisions we are having? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So now see and think that minus 2 by 3, that which integer is nearest to minus 2 by 3? Obviously minus 1. So the nearest integer to minus 2 by 3, or we can say to minus 0.6, is minus 1. Right? So now we will solve the question. We will write nearest integer to minus 2 by 3 is equal to minus 1. Which is the nearest integer? Minus 1. Now what is the question? What should be subtracted? So we will write, let number subtracted is x. Whatever is to be subtracted, we will suppose it as x. Now what should be subtracted from? From के बाद जो नंबर है वो पहले आता है. minus 2 by 3 में से क्या माइनस किया जाए? So we have supposed here that x should be subtracted so as to get what? So as to get the nearest integer, and nearest integer to minus 2 by 3 is minus 1. Right? I hope it is clear to you all. Now see how to find the value of x now. Now you can see that we are having x with minus sign on the left hand side. If I shift this minus x to the right hand side, it will become plus. Or if you don't want to shift this minus x, keep it as it is. Keep it as it is. Let us shift this minus 2 by 3 on the right hand side. This minus 2 by 3 then will go to the right hand side, will become plus 2 by 3. Now minus x, LCM 3. 3 divided by 1 is 3. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3 plus 2. So minus x is equal to minus 3 plus 2. Again minus 1 by 3. Now on both the sides we are having the negative sign. So it will get cancelled. We will get the value of x as 1 by 3. So what should be subtracted from minus 2 by 3 to obtain the nearest integer? Minus 2 by 3 में से x को minus किया so as to get minus 1. Minus x is at its place. Shifted minus 2 by 3 on the right hand side. After taking the LCM, we are left with minus 1 by 3. On both the sides we are having negative sign. We cancel it and we are left with 1 by 3. So which number should be subtracted? 1 by 3 should be subtracted. Next question. What should be multiplied with minus minus 5 by 8 to obtain the nearest integer. Now again we want to see which is the nearest integer to minus 5 by 8. So we will divide it. 5 अंदर 8 बाहर. 5 is smaller than 8, so decimal 0. 8 6 are 48. 8 6 are 48. So minus 5 by 8. Minus 5 by 8 is approximately equal to what? 0.6. Minus 0.6. Again, same we got what we discussed in the last question. Now minus 0.6 is nearest to which integer? It is nearest to minus 1. It is nearest to minus 1. That we have discussed in our last question. Similarly, we will write here nearest integer to minus 5 by 8 is minus 1. Now in the question we are having what should be multiplied. So we will write let the number be x. Now according to question we are having what should be multiplied with minus 5 by 8. So minus 5 by 8 should be multiplied by x so as to get what? So as to get the nearest integer, that is minus 1. Now we are having here x and multiply sign. So I have told you earlier, when we are having multiply sign, then in between two numbers, then what happens? The number in the denominator goes in the numerator on the left hand side and gets multiplied. और ये minus 5 इधर आके क्या हो जाएगा? Divide. Minus minus get cancel. So we are left with 8 over 5. So by what number we should multiply minus 5 by 8 to get minus 1? That is 8 by 5. See, minus 5 by 8 को when we multiplied with 8 over 5, we get our minus 1. This is just for your checking, right? This was the question number 3. With this we have finished with the revision of assignment of rational numbers. Please do each and every question properly in your revision notebook. Revise all the questions properly. Thank you and take care.